Wow, what a gorgeous red pixie style to start off the video. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hair transformations. So moving on to the next one, this one features someone with blonde hair getting orange tips in that dip dyed look. I absolutely love this trend. It was around a few years ago and it has managed to make a comeback. Now obviously you can play around with this trend, do any color that you desire, but I think the orange is such a beautiful hue. So there the stylist is working that color in. Oh, wow. So pretty. And this is like the perfect shade work for like the fall season. And she does have kind of like a shaggy wolf cut happening with the cut. Very nice cut and color combination. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have a long to short transformation. So it looks like this stylist is doing a pixie here. Very popular hair trend. Ooh, now this is like a very 90s inspired pixie style. It is a little bit longer in length. I absolutely adore this look. So chic and polished. Very nice. So next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like the stylist is doing a bob makeover for this one. So I wasn't sure if she was going to keep her natural texture or straighten her hair, but she has absolutely gorgeous hair, so thick and full. Alright, so we got a baseball cap to the salon transformation. Looks like she's getting some color. Nice blowout, very volumized with the brushes. This guy knows how to specialize in like thin hair, making the hair appear thicker. Wow, look how much volume she has. That is insane. Especially compared to where she started off. Crazy. Wow. He did an amazing job with this. Beautifully done. So next up, we see someone with a shoulder length hair. looks like a nice pixie bob or a longer pixie style. Very nice face framing bangs and texture. Oh, so she has like that asymmetrical shape where the hair is longer on one side versus the other. This is absolutely stunning. I love this pixie. So pretty. And then we have an 80s mid-length inspired shag. So as you guys know, we're seeing so many like shaggy haircut variations this season, the shullets. And if you guys do want to check out more of the hottest fall hair trends, be sure to hop on over to my sister channel, Salon Transformation, to get a deep dive into all of these looks. Very cute style. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.